Okay guys, this is, you'll have to forgive the flickering here, this is a little bit of C# I'm playing about with, but this is a two-dimensional plane that's looking down on a three-dimensional scene in one of my engines. And what I'm thinking about is the actual camera control. What I've got is basically a spring arm, so that when I let go of the camera, so the arc is the maximum range that the camera can view. The arrow in the center is the direction of travel or view for the character itself, the character. So what I'm doing is when you hold the left button down, the control goes active and I move the mouse to swing the camera around. Okay. So if I move the mouse to the right, the view swings to the left. And conversely, if I swing the mouse to the left, the camera moves to the right. And for some reason, this feels really natural to me, but it also feels backwards. I can't put my finger on why it feels so odd. I could invert it, I guess. Could I? Yeah, I could. So if I do mouse down at X minus the event value. So here we are with the app again. Now when the mouse goes left, the camera goes right. So I'm following it. I could make it optional which way round I do it. But for some reason, this feels like the camera is pointing towards the mouse, though not directly. I actually have a modifier that tells me how many pixels map to how many degrees of swing of camera. So there's actually 10 pixels per degree. So if I move a couple of pixels, 3 pixels, there's no change. It's only when I move to 10, against first 10, 20, 30, etc., etc. And it doesn't scale, by the way. That was the other thing I was thinking about. When the camera gets around to this position over here, it wants to just zip. Do you want to just make peripheral vision just snap it around to the maximum range? I'm thinking about all this. That's a very quick update to some of the stuff I'm doing, and I need to find a better way of mocking up these two-dimensional scenes than this rather rickety, frickety app.